Okay, I'm back. The only reason why I'm back is because this Zurich dude, he was skating earlier. And just sitting here, I'm staring at it while I'm reading my Twitter. He's just some guy skating. He one of them dudes. They go to this song. That's gonna be a good video. Did you see that? That was just a preview. And he ain't dancing that. Skating it. Dancing, I don't know what you call it. He danced some queer music. He's one of them slap happies. Oh my god. Maybe he isn't. He got the fuck up there. Maybe he's for real. Some dude from Zurich. Stephane? His name's Stephane. Oh my god. It looks like Stephanie. His name's Stephane Lambiel. Lambiel. Is that how you say it? They got some weird names in Zurich. It must be Germany. I can tell it's going to be good. So, let's not waste any time. See, this is my Twitter over here. I just posted the one on Mark Wahlberg. He sold his house for $50 million. I got nothing. I'm past that already. We're gonna dance this Zurich guy to some hot dude girl music. Why? Because he can do that and I can't. But we're not gonna start it there. We're gonna roll his music in there. I'm gonna stop it on something. I don't know what yet. Somebody's up there at the top singing. Oh, it's a live performance. Oh, this is Art on Ice. This is something new. They got Stars on Ice, Art on Ice. I think this came out of Finland or something. That's where I saw the other skating rink. Helsinki. This all shut off while I was doing it, so I missed all the comments. I rolled them into this from another video. I cut it, put the Twilight Zone in, and started the music. It's two separate filmings. I don't know why the camera shut off. Start him up on the lyric. I hope the camera stays. Oh, the battery's going dead. Here we go. Take some German dude in Zurich. Hot girl music guy stuff. He looked like he's big as Arnold Schwarzenegger. I didn't even pause him.